What I discovered was that you don't have to be born in a certain neighborhood. You don't have to be born in a certain family. You don't have to have a certain socio-economic status. It only takes one thing to get what you see other people have that you want, and it's called effort.
Watch how the party turn up tonight. Because we out and bad and the people better we causing trouble. Trouble. Just watch how we causing trouble. Trouble. Everybody buying bottles. Well, after we causing trouble. Somebody give me room to mash up this place. Front to the back, so jump up and away. Whole place shell is madness in here. Bring everything way up in the air. Show them up there. Front to the back, so jump up and away. Whole place shell is madness in here. Bring everything way up in the air. Show them up there. Look, they want me already. They go put me on.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. You know what it is. It is the official carnival vlog. Yes, this is a vlog that you're going to be seeing everything in. And as I speak to you now, I'm on my way to the gym. I am on my way to the gym. They want a stoplight, you know. Awesome. But yeah. And you notice she not in the gym because I know work she come work out. She just come so she can do this. So when I finish, we can just do road because we have stuff to do. Okay. We have a little shopping for do, and I don't know major, honestly. I just we need to go find one fanny pack. I just that and what else? Ooh, pick up your wing. And I need to go and figure out my hairstyle fully. And I definitely feel like it's just I'm just gonna do a pony. I always do a ponytail for carnival. You know, it's just I don't want nothing down on my shoulder. You know, the wings and everything. I don't want anything on my shoulder. It's just more comfortable. It can look cute and trendy and comfortable at the same time. And it's hot, so I don't want nothing on my shoulder. Honestly and truly, that's why I always truly just do ponytail. So yeah. I'm going to the gym. This is gonna be the final gym session before my extra my dramatic-y. The final gym session.
Text,
yeah.
Yeah.
Must say I say come and work so where there? The final gym session before carnival, you understand? Yes, so that's the vibe. Of course me gonna take on to make a gym session.
Where run go scam go run raffle with her wing. Because she didn't want the front line wing, she wanted something smaller.
Yeah, but I guess
because
them,
her previous
probably
experience,
them think I mistake my makeup.
yeah, them probably say, so backline wing, no sir. But the backline wing does not look very like backliney. It look like midline.
It look good, me like it.
So then put on front line.
The
wing
reason why
the
reason why I want the backline is because it look more manageable for walk with.
Yeah.
And I say last time
the
I walk
front
with
line
front line wing, I'm gonna know if it's heavy, because I never did like feel it when we do the show, when we walk the show and something. So I really don't know what I work with. So I just that. I'm a camera when I walk on the room and bounce down people.
We'll go see if nobody did it with a backline willing for trade.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if nobody are going to want trade still because
then probably
like,
want
why you give me a front line from a back line? That doesn't make no sense. Because obviously the front line have more money. But I don't know. I go see.
Well, I go see still because if nobody don't want it, I don't know.
Take it.
But guys, I see them try my costume.
Pretty.
It's so listen, I know this from the night when I watched the show.
Pretty.
I look on it and you know crazy thing, everybody thought I was going to jump in Olympus.
The one where she modeling.
That's the one I modeled. But you know I'm done Magli tired, I'm done. You know we're tired of even though I just model Magli, it's really nice too. And a lot of the girlies got that. It's really nice. But I said no. I don't want when I see the modeling night, I was like
yo,
this
it was,
color is popping.
I never really paid much mind.
Yes.
To be very honest.
No people never pay mine.
Eldorado, me that pay man the one night,
Eldorado
but
is so
Eldorado
nice.
full of too much string. Could you bother with that?
The one I like to a Shangri-La, I said name.
Shangri-La, yeah.
And me wish it in a 2-piece.
Hey, any other in a two?
2-piece, I eat more than weird.
I'm gonna tell
Nice.
you, my top picks were Camelot and Shangri-La. The reason why I never take Camelot was because the neon green are gonna make me look that burnt out.
Burnt out, yeah.
And then Shangri-La never have a 2-piece, so that's why I never pick none of the two of them.
You don't see the body piece them come out. You really just
Yeah.
wish them would have 2-piece. But I guess that's what they wanted still. They would want to bring the hotness there to a 1-piece. You know, usually
Yeah.
people put 1-piece and be like, that lame, that boring or something like so. Not with that. So yeah guys, anyways, a little chit chat there. So right now I'm gonna go to the gym, so let's get this workout. Let's go.
I know you want me. Every day not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my lips always give me a switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? And tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you. I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you, mold you, slow you, split you in half in my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. Be on it, you want it, but I could be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be on it, you want it, but I could be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Take time, you know, stay around whenever I see bad vibes. So you come my way, make sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but I can never see eyes. I can point it, but you know I could never lie. Come through, I can show you something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. Wanna be somebody you can run through. And you can put that in my life one time, no care. Big vibes, so good, catch feels, yeah. If you make it better, you can lie. Spend some more time. Be on it, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be on it, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
People they talk them majesty, but the way your body twisting, make me lose control in a this thing, Lord. And it's all because I'm thinking of us. Don't go throw me under the bus. I never spent like under your love. I don't know why nobody want me. It's a man that you take me, man. It's your things like my demon. If I do you bad, I beg and I never lie. You want to know why I
Be
be
honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
Finish with the gym session. I'm all finished.
Finished too. It's a good workout.
We are going to just go on the road and stuff. Alright, so now I gotta head to Bacchanal so I can finally get my wings. So I'm wearing Xanadu, if you couldn't tell by the nails. Yeah, it's the only blue costume, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so I'm wearing Xanadu and Shami's wearing
Yeah, yo.
Yayoy, wayoy. It looks so good. I just love the way it just hug the body. The two of them, I like the cut. So yesterday was the original day to pick up everything, but you know some shift up go on with the wings last minute, so that's how I have to just collect the wings today. And I was supposed to be going to Juve later. No, I'm not really in the paint
I never
business.
remember about it until I said it.
I'm carried pack up under the tree. So I don't know so I go now. I have to get gas first though. So I get gas and then we'll just make way down this. And then we have to go in half a tree. Gonna get some little last minute things over here because I'm still trying to figure out the ponytail that I'm gonna do. Shami's all set on her hair.
Yeah.
So I don't know what I'm do with my hair exactly yet. So I gotta figure it out though. The good thing is that my nails done though. I do my waxing, everything. And that's just the last minute stuff. Oh man, if I could get lunch. I'm not even order yet. So I'm order. Remember when come I forgot to go back canal first. So when I reach this, I'm gonna just order that. And then I'm gonna pick it up. Straight veggies and protein up until Sunday. So just in that pool. It's not iPad, so I'm actually gonna switch my backpack out. I'm so happy. Like, yeah, I want the small backpack. Oh, I need to order my salad. I order my salad now. And I'm gonna probably order 2 salads because lunch and dinner, I don't know, I don't have the energy. I don't. Alright, so I'm gonna get my wings. Honestly, I'm not a bag. Alright, guys, so listen, man. They were like, so no, go with the front line wing. Why you take the back line? No, because as I said, they thought it was an arrow. So they put the large one. When I try it on and it's actually really light. It's nothing near the one I'm wearing at 2019. Right? Even though that was a different everything. Different band everything. So me I think say alright, that big wing yeah, probably I go weighty and you know, I just do one little cute one. Let me try it on and actually take the big one. So let's frontline everything. So I'm gonna come to Starbucks. I'm actually parked up right across from them. I'm gonna get cold brew. Guys, cold brew alone. No sweeteners not in there. Nothing cause we're cinchy in the belly, cinchy in the waist. Yeah, you can do that like a day or 2 before, you know, your occasion. That really helps with cinching the with belly fats. Well, with work, mega say with work, not just do it, just drink it and not do no work, you know. So yeah, it not be tight, not teaspoon. The guy look at me like, I say, yeah man, no, I don't know, just cash it. What is it? Get it cold because usually I drink it hot with little lemon juice in there, but no.
I don't know how the depression look. Just look on my face.
She eating the same thing as this guy. Shami's so extra. You don't need to eat this the rest of the day. She not try cut nothing, you know. And try, you know, keep myself on a level, you understand? So, we'll eat a salad there, and then we'll have some stuff to go buy down the road. So now with the Fontana, and then we're going to go down in the half a tree. I'm going to try to buy some stuff for me here and stuff, so that's what I have to do. My life packages call it, but I'm calling them say little later from now, which will not going to be bare traffic. But I'm going to figure it out. Thanks.
What you over there doing?
Just a sort of the sort.
What is?
Yeah, I'm going to write this one. This is right there.
Oh, that's where your liquor store. Okay, thanks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just get the ear. What am I gonna use? And oh, I'm gonna see liquor bag them were in there, them man. I see no funny pack in there though. When I see no funny pack in there. When I see no funny pack in there. I wonder if it's so down. Alright, I will check them really quick. Yeah guys, we're trying to find a funny pack. I just get a few things. In a bag, yeah. Good day. You still like funny packs? Okay.
I think that the music really is going to speak for itself. I'm writing songs about love from every direction. And I hope that you can't play again, but it's amazing when you date a musician. Let me just tell you about dating musicians. It's amazing. They write songs about you. They play a song for you. We love love.
Oh, you know so much.
Okay, so I think we're done with the road for. Wait, I'm supposed to pick up package, you know. Show me, she said she gonna buy sandwich. Gonna buy one Burger King sandwich. Yeah. But for right now, I'm gonna call and find out what my package them. But that's literally it for right now. But yeah, so I got everything that I needed to get on the road, so I'm happy about that. Honestly, and truly, I should have been here, but guess what? No, I share out myself. I did have some bundles because I always have bundles, but one day I give them away. Like I give them away, and see me, you know. Cause I don't usually wear bundles like that. I usually like here and there when me like would do. When we do a ponytail, and I got like a lot of wigs coming in, just wigs. I have a lot of hair coming in, but you know, it's wigs mostly. So yeah, that's an update on that. I got my fanny pack. I'm supposed to have sunscreen. I think I have sunscreen because I know the road I got at. I pray rain don't fall. I prefer sunshine than rainfall. I not know. And I think I'm going to end up probably, I don't know yet. I'm going to blow dry my hair, I'm going to wash my hair and all of that. I don't think, I'm not going to do my hair today. I'll do it tomorrow. Because I think I'll have to get some work done today when I get my package them. God, work never stop. Even though I have fun, work don't stop. Work hard, play hard. You understand? So when I go find out if my package am rich, right up there, me I go right now. Right up there. What am I gonna eat for dinner? I don't know. I do not know.
6 hours later.
Alright guys, so Juve outfit of the night. And I don't know, Juve, I don't know, like, I don't know, some people all wear all clothes. Because I'm paint up with a yeah, outfits of the night. And this is my outfit of the night. Remember that bag here? I don't know if you remember that bag here, a funny pack here, but we dig it up.
You know, so actually the back this, the red strap at the other foot for the pump, but you can't stay.
Oh, right, I switch it up. I switch it over. Simple, you know, bucket at vibe, one bikini. The two I wear a bikini. I was kind of vibe, you know?
That's the vibes.
Yeah. Yeah, I'ma just wear, this is my scent of the night. You guys were honestly not really not paint up. Guys, so we are here walking in. So yeah. Like we kind of reach, it look like here. But no, the rush definitely. I got yeah, outer road look miserable and not even that much people yet. So I know it's gonna be good. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, look miserable.
Buy extra one if you have extra.
Alright. Yes, so guys, I don't know why I'm forget my gum. the special gum we would buy, I could really use one of that. I really could.
Cheers. If this is your first time to Bacchanal Juve, please put one finger in the sky. Who is it their first time here? Lovely. Big up the first timers. If you have partied with Bacchanal Jamaica in this venue before, you know how the vibes go. My name is Barry Hyde. I represent the island of St. Lucia, my brother, my partner in crime. He represents Trinidad and Tobago. He is the party rocker. His name is Back to Basics. One, two, three, go! Perfect! Perfect, perfect! Get dirty, get dirty, get dirty, get dirty, get dirty, get dirty, get dirty! Why are you clean right now? Why are you clean right now? Get the... Put your face in the sky! One, get ready to jump, two!
Guys, what move from VIP? Now let's come run over. When you have backstage pass, you just come backstage from now and then say what your VIP place and come out. You just come run over. Guys, come on, do very. I've experienced bullying. You can't run on the page. Me never experienced it, but you can't run on the page.
VIP, point your fingers so. Come on. VIP, whatever. Come on. Quick, nice. Look. VIP, point your fingers so. VIP, point your VIP, what are you doing? 1, 2, VIP, 1. VIP, don't ever know my mind. 1, ready, 2, ready, 1, ready, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, do something crazy, do something crazy, do something crazy. Do not drink the water, don't drink it. Do not pour the water, do not open it yet. Just pour the water, okay? Your water like this. Unscrew it. Not here. Unscrew it. Have your water right here. And put the bottle in the air. Open your water. Unscrew it. Open the water. Do not spray yet. VIP. Ladies, do not spray. It's a rush now. Unscrew it. Open the water. Unscrew it. Unscrew the water. Let's drink. Unscrew it. Dre, are you here? Are we ready? We are ready. On the count of 4, you are going to wet down the place. Listen to my command. 1, get ready. 2, get ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
If you are proud to be from your country, put one hand in the air, jump up right now. 1, 2, step the jump, show me your ID now, right now, stop there. Show your ID now, right now, stop there. Mash up Jamaica right now. 1, everybody, 2, like what, like what. 1, 2, I feel like was that our last big tune? We should play one more last? The big mash up. Don't worry, they're coming back, they're coming back. In a crowded place. Put your hands in the air and welcome on stage. Patrice!
You should record the through the Petite-Sue, you know. And now we do some creation. I can't even say it.
Guys, so we left, literally just left, and we're on the truck the whole vibe. So we're waiting for everybody to come out, and then the truck going to start. The people are sitting down. We feel like we're there road match already because of angle and
Just next time and then you go home. Next time and then you go back home. As long as they know the
Kingdom, 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 suka kingdom, 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 suka kingdom.
on. Cause the kingdom come down. Time to show me your ways. Time to get on the line. You're born and ready for this. Come and wind in the roadway. All in front of the gateway. All in front of the people. Business place is the kingdom.
You see this tree by the gas station? Everybody take a limb from that tree. Everybody take a limb from that tree. Take a limb from the tree. Limb from the tree. Take a limb from the tree. Limb from the tree. Limb from the tree. 1, 2, 1, 2. You see these flyers on the light posts? I need you to take them down. Tear down the flyers from the light posts and put them in the sky. Tear down the flyers from the light posts.
I'm up, guys. Jeez. 6:30 we reach back this morning for the match, you know. When the time I know. You can't see. They were right died. 10:56 in the morning. Yeah, couple hours of sleep. Guys, I was supposed to do some stuff with this car from like, I might do some little, you know, some little customer. I don't know, major. And I said, when I change nothing like that. I'm actually going to do the dip powder method thing with the rims. Shout out to Fresh Panda. Yeah, they're about to pandify the rims for me, give me some red can, stuff like that. So I did actually drop stuff from like 9 o'clock. And then remember when I watch a vlog, right? I would say, oh, now go march, blah blah blah, and we go march and done 6 o'clock. Like what the hell? What the hell? 6:30 to be exact. And in him there. Focus by the road. And then reaching late. The road is a mess, man. Oh. Place full up, you know. And then now gonna give me a blind. Sure. But yeah, so the road, them time they were reaching, and listen, just knocked out immediately. Jeez, I'm the man that eat a patty, but I really eat a patty. Can't eat a patty right now. Jeez. I really eat a patty. A nice fat cheese patty. John. Oh God. But yeah, so yeah, I'm heading there and I'm gonna drop this off and stuff, and then I'm gonna head back home. I'm gonna go take a little more sleep and reach back home. I'm not telling no lie, I'm just checking back with you know. And I don't even know which one. Like, am I more sleepy or hungry? Well, no, I'm a bit refreshed, so I'm up, you know. But like I can feel it once I sit down. That's it. Like, once I sit down, I'm not doing nothing. Sleep. But I'm hungry too. I need some tea. I need some green juice. need something in my life. What am I gonna eat? I'm probably gonna have some cabbage and tuna, to be on the safe side right now. Yeah, cabbage and tuna. Tomorrow is jump up day. I'm gonna go and see that enough. You guys, I don't want to chat out too much. This is the official carnival vlog, so I'll catch you back when something is happening. All right. My blow dry my hair, which is a task. Like my basically dip on the donings. I kind of want to get it flatter. Like I wash my hair and stuff. Yeah, that may I do. It's so hard. Like when you're ready for the run through, we can she run from the initial task to do it for me. I mean, I like blow dry my ear. Guys, I can't tell when last my blow dry my ear.
Last time I do one ponytail?
No. Last time I do one ponytail was what day. I didn't blow my dry my ear for ponytail. The Divinity Glam Growth Oil. When it's back, girl. Guys. Yeah. It's gonna be a whole different thing because Instagram now can't work out feet. That can't work out feet, but I'm loving how my hair is looking. So much of you guys always request me for flat iron it. Yeah, really. Maybe one of these days I'll give you guys a little treat with that, but yeah. So I want to get it flatter than this. Come on, the ponytail is sleek. You see through the extension I buy, the bundles I buy, like I like body wave, so I need to get this really flat. Shamel come help me do. Be a whole different thing because Instagram now can't work out feet. That can't work out feet, but I'm loving how my hair is looking. So much of you guys always request me for flat iron it. Yeah, really. Maybe one of these days I'll give you guys a little treat with that, but yeah. So I want to get it flatter than this. Come on, the ponytail is sleek. You see through the extension I buy, the bundles I buy, like I like body wave, so I need to get this really flat. Shamel come help me do.
Shamel drink some porridge.
Yeah, when she do it.
And people are mad tell.
So that's how that. This is how we looking. We come back when it probably look flatter when me in the process to catch it up. Okay. Okay.
But
conscience. Pull up to me, bump for me, they on me hands. Me ready for me service, I like and balance. Set up me front if it drive, go on France. Call me, I know the Portuguese, me Carland. So bubble me, a bubble, I'm a favorite song. Jiggle, jiggle on my body till you want live your girl. If me broke to you, come here, say you're mad. Crank up your shaft when you piss that. Pull up to me, bump back, pull up to me, bump back. Tired and not come again. Bend me over, pull up to me, bump back. Pump your knee and show me chin.
When you pull up to your bump back, pull up to your bump back. Hear the parts that can you wait. Come on, this off, pull them back and pull over. Me have a time, but they must say.
The next morning.
Alright guys, so we left. We them in at the back. Of course, me not drive. Travis I drive. We're on our way. I feel like we're in a good time. A couple minutes behind, but it's not far. It's not far at all. Guys, we have to stop at one point because we end up like we're behind by a couple minutes, and so the march starts. But not by far, like you know reach far, so we just wait for it.
They're right down the road.
So that means so if you walk go so then.
I feel like when we go to the airport Friday, we will put some tonight. Put it white on the nuts. Just put some over the eyes. Put it white in your hand. In your hands, not clean.
Guys, why them win ya? At this minute I'm going to have your fence. It's a fence. The thing is, why we walk with them is because I know they're always taking pictures. You know why your costume look incomplete and them things there. But we're turned now, so we have to stop. But so guys, this is Sash. She is with us today on the road. She's just a tray away.
Everybody jump, jump, what's up? I love how the tie and the dress match. I love that. From origins, I did your shot. Ladies, I'm going to ask you one favor today, please. It's one small favor. Ladies, please grant me this one small favor today. Please give one ugly man a wine. Ugly man, put down in the sky. If you are proud to be from Jamaica,
guys, alright, so we're going for lunch now. The truck will walk left it because we just want to reach for lunch.
We can't wait to take off this out. Sit down, you see, man. Them time they start.
I'm not so under if I'm going to take off mine yet. Because you just never know, you know? Like, I just want to ruin the costume.
Business.
But it's been a vibe. It's been a vibe. So we'll go for lunch now and then we'll refuel. Because it's been a while since we had breakfast. I'm not tell you, like, we had soup and green juice. So yeah. We almost reach. What you say? Because a soup and green juice we have.
What do you say for lunch though?
I don't know what lunch.
I right side. We can get food first.
Oh yeah, we're reaching first. That's a good thing. This one that come from nowhere?
No, why not take it, sir? Make sure come right here, sir.
Good.
You know, so that wing they're pretty.
Olympus? Yeah.
Good day. Oh, it's the same menu as over there. Alright. Yeah. We're so home. Yeah. No, guys, this is Chinese food. I just got veg with the meat. Literal glitter we use. It's not a like proper highlighter. It's like an iridescent, finely milled glitter that I use. And yeah, it's giving with the dramatic. Good. So done with lunch. We are ready to go. Up into the refill. It's been a vibe.
I'm gonna get white rum and fruit punch.
White rum and fruit punch. Can't get back white rum and pineapple juice. Yeah, we'll get white rum because white rum will get like a bag of hangover. We can't have for tomorrow, but feel no way. So that's what we're going to refill. And yeah, guys, the sun is beaming, but as I say, I prefer sunshine than it raining because that would just like, you know, your hairstyle out of my head and stuff like that. Can't bother with that. So I could go on the road, yeah, now. The road, party look nice, yeah, party look good. Boom, bam, now we take one for the road. Boom, bam, now we take a shot for the road. Boom, bam, now we take one for the road. Party look nice, yeah, party look good. Boom, bam, now we take one for the road. Boom, bam, now we take a shot for.
Butterflies. Ladies, give one of them another wine today. Give one of them another wine. Let's go! Which school in the team has the biggest sponsor?
Right there. In 30 seconds, I go to the water. In 30 seconds, maybe less. In 30 seconds, maybe less.
Bless the woman and vibe. Watch how the party turn up tonight. Because we out and bad and the people better we causing trouble. Trouble, trouble. Just watch how we causing trouble. Trouble, trouble. Everybody buying bottles. Bottles. Well, after we causing trouble. Trouble. Somebody in my room to mash up the space. Front to the back, so jump up and away. Whole place shell is madness in here. Bring everything way up in the air. Show them up there, show them up there. Front to the back, so jump up and away. Whole place shell is madness in here. Bring everything way up in the air. Show them up there. Look, they want me already. They go put me out, Lord. Right up, brother. Right up, boy. This is that kind of stupidness is not allowed, Lord. Right up, brother. Right up, boy. Why them know what good for them? They go listen to we kind of music and rhythm. Look, people all up in for it. Shouting this time with them missing. So fancy rum, ice, ice. The place low man and vibes. Well, I going to flash up tonight. Because we out and party, people better we causing trouble. Trouble, trouble. Just watch how we causing trouble. Trouble, trouble. Everybody buying bottles.
Okay, so it's hours later and I'm just like checking back with you guys to let you know that this is officially the end of Jamaica Carnival vlog 2022. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Yeah, right now I really want to sleep. I'm really tired. It's the same night of that, you know, the carnival was held, but I'm gonna ride out and, you know, I'm committed, so I'm gonna finish up the vlog. I started to edit it from last night, so I'm gonna finish it up to have it up for you guys by later on. It's not yet the next day. It's 10 minutes to 12, so yeah. I'm really sleepy though. With all that walking up and down and liquor and whatever, it feels like it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm not telling you no lie, but I'm gonna finish up the vlog. I'm already like 41 minutes in, so I know it's gonna be a long vlog for sure, and I hope you guys appreciate that. And yeah, like I almost mashed up my camera for this. Like it, after all the sensitivity when we've been telling about, camera dropped from me, but luckily it come on back. I'm grateful, but it was a vibe today, you know. Shout out to Bacchanal again for the experience, and you know, we had a time. So that's that, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.